Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is LG brand 8 kg washing machine, also 5 kg dryer. This is inverter system, DD motor, 10-year warranty. This machine having actually problem, wash cycle no any issue, problem with the dry cycle only. While customer selecting dry option, within few minutes it's showing dHE error. Now I'm going to repair this machine. I will show you how to repair this one and we will go to the next step. Now I already given power connection. Also I'm selecting direct dry cycle, only dry. Without touching here we can select only the dry cycle. Also I'm selecting only the 1 hour dry. You can see here is no any spin cycle, that's mean only the dry 1 hour. We will start the machine. Door already got lock. Machine start already. You can see dear friends, it's still not showing actually. It's already 1 hour it's showing, but it's still not decreasing the time also. It is still showing stable. You can see here. Yes my dear, it is, you can see here. It's showing dHE error message. Now that's mean dry heater error. Now we have to remove the top cover. After that we have to check, first we have to check dry heater connection continuity, also to thermostat, thermistor, also blower fan, and 3 sensors. We have to check everything. After that only we can recognize what is the exactly problem. Now we will remove the top cover and we will go to the next step. Remove the back cover 2 screws. Also here. After that I can remove the top cover. Also we have to disconnect the power first. After that it is because of the safety. Now we have to check dear friends. Here blower connection. I will remove the connection here. We can check the continuity blower. Also here heater. One by one I will remove. Also here thermostat. After removing thermostat we can check the here thermistor also. Also here you can see here one sensor here. Here also sensor, that's mean actually thermistor. Yes, we can check this sensor, also this sensor, heater connection, also thermostat, thermistor, everything, blower. Now we will check first. Now you can see here dear friends, continuity heater. First I'm checking heater continuity. You can see dear friends, it is okay. No any issue with the heater. Also no ground. You can see here. Also now I can check here thermistor. Also no issue. It is working properly. After that we can check thermostat also. Yes my dear friends, it is, these 3 items are okay. No any issue. Now we have to check the blower connection only. This blower connection we have to check here. It's not showing continuity actually. It is, we will check. Yes my dear, it's not showing. I'm going to remove the blower motor here. This one, you know, this is BLDC motor. It is it's working with the DC voltage. This one we have to check. Actually, I will remove first. After that, I will explain to you. Now I can remove here. This one you can see I already removed. You can see, dear friends. You can see here it is so many lines. It's dirt too much here. Also we have to clean. It's too much actually. Now anyway, now we will check here connection. Now I will check again. I'm selecting here dry option 30 minutes and I will start. Door also already got lock. Now should rotate actually motor, but it's still not rotating. Yes, they are still not rotating. Actually, it start to show again dHE error. Yes, my dear, this is the complaint. Now again I will shut down the machine. Also I will remove the plug, disconnect the power line, and I will fix the new one. I will fix the new here. Now dear friends, I already given connection to the fan motor, blower motor. Again I will start the machine here. Again I am selecting dry option here, 30 minutes, and we will start the machine. Yes, yes dear friend, the problem with the blower fan only, no any other issue. Now you can see fan is working properly without any problem. Now after fixing, our complaint will be resolved. You can see it is working without any problem. Now I have to fix as same new BLDC blower fan to the dry duct. After that I can complete my job and I will shut down the machine again. I will fix. Yes dear friends, I already fixed new blower. Now I have to give the connection here. Now I will select again dry option. Already I given power connection. As same before, I will select again dry 30 minutes and we will start. Yes my dear, you can hear the noise. Blower motor already got start. Before it's not working, now it's working after replacing new one. Now it's okay. Before within few minutes is showing error message dHE. Now it's not possible to come again. Also blower also here, duct already heater working, it's getting warm, it's heating. Now my job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.